Yeah, I get that.
All
Had an
right,
off week.
we are live. Takes a second to go live on Instagram. I don't know why. There we go.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta get the comments added. All right, we are good to go. The market opens in 3 minutes. I'll have to double check. I don't think we've got news today. Turn the music down some. Yeah, no news today. It does say it's the same thing it says on the NASA website. The U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. So who knows? There could be red folders all day today. The government shutdown's not showing us. That's not the case, but I am going to show my screen later about the whole NASA thing. What's up, Josh? What's up, guys? I'll probably pass the ball to Noah or JMO for some more of the actual market, like the bigger picture market analysis. It's kind of cool because Noah, he's got himself like the bigger picture. I would say JMO's got like the medium picture, and I would say I have like the tightest, smallest time frame picture. I'm gonna invite the Telegram. It's cool. We got 7 people in here. Didn't even ping the Telegram yet. I'm going to start tracking. You guys can see the banner on the screen. I'm going to start tracking my data of my edge live and back tested, so forward and back tested. So I back tested the last 100 trades. It's got an 84% win rate. And then going forward today, we're also going to keep adding to that. So like if we win 2 today, it'll be 87 or 86 out of 102. And that way we'll keep it updated on the stream, and we'll be able to see long term if our edge starts dying off or whatnot, if we need to change anything. But that's why I did that. And we got 1 minute. No, I think I don't think you've got the right screen pulled up too. I might be wrong. We got to ask Josh what's the analysis for the day. He's usually got a good idea too. Okay. Here, I'll flip to me really quick because we've got the 9:30 open. I trade off of the 9:30 open. You'll see. We're going to basically measure this candle and then basically take 2 scalps going from there. Okay. Josh, it is. So I kind of did the math. For my edge to be profitable, it has to win over 75% of the time. It has to win 76% of the time. So 84% is 9% greater. It would have produced 36R in the last 100 trades. Now, this is the key. It only lost 16 out of 100. In those 100 trades, yes, it's still profitable on a cash account, but even more so on a prop account, because you have to think about it on a prop account now. You're going to that 84 trades, all of those win streaks, you're going to be pulling profits out of the market, if that makes sense. So when the losses do come or whatever, like those 16 losses are going to be minimal compared to what the 84 wins are going to produce. If that makes sense.
Right.
Yeah, it's in a good sweet spot. I think it's right where we want it. It's got a 9% greater profit factor than it needs to be profitable. Okay, nothing yet. We're still trapped inside of the first 9:30 opening range. Noah, you or JMO too. Have you guys ever been to Tap 42?
I don't think so.
It's a restaurant in Mercado. It's
Oh,
like
I
right
have.
below the movie theater.
Yeah, I have.
Oh. I haven't
So
been there.
good. We went there for dinner last night. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
They've got it made me, the reason I asked Noah right off the bat is because they got like, I got everything truffle there, and Noah and I, when we used to go on work trips, we used to always get truffle stuff. But they had truffle avocado or guacamole, not, I mean it's avocado, but, and then they had a truffle filet mignon steak sandwich, which was actually really good.
Actually sounds really nice.
But I'm truffled out. That's why I'm drinking half calf, trying to recover today.
All right, I'll be right back. I need to make coffee.
Okay. It's contagious. The caffeine contagion. First 2 minutes still sitting in this 9:30. In that back test too, Josh, I saw a day where there was literally 20 minutes inside of the first 9:30 1-minute candle. All right. First 3 minutes are still trapped within. Got 11 people viewing. Good morning, everyone. I'm super excited to be tracking the win rate like this going forward on stream too. It'll help me keep going when we do take losses.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea.
All right, potential buys coming up. 20 seconds. Got OCO brackets on, so I don't need to like focus on putting my take profit and stuff on. It'll just do it automatically for me. I couldn't trade like this if it didn't.
Order filled.
All right, we are in a long. That is the market's moving. That's a small trade, but we're gonna tick up and get it really quick. And then we've got our new range set right here, which we can close out of that. And then we got
Order filled.
All right, that is $197. We're going to look for our second trade off of this. Now, if we close outside of this, we'll take another long. If we close below it, we'll take a short. The losing streak is broke.
Dang. It's all it takes, one good trade.
What's up?
It's all it takes, one good trade, right, to break a big losing streak. It wasn't even that big. It was what, 2?
Yeah, it was 2, but we just came off a hot streak too of like 8 or 10 trades. Ooh, I thought we were going for the buy right away. We are still trapped inside the second range. This is the new range in terms of candle ranges on the 1 minute. This is what I was saying, guys, too. For those of you watching, I'm a more dialed view. JMO, Noah, they're doing like their higher time frame analysis and stuff, getting set up for like bigger moves. I'm just trying to scalp the open and take advantage of the liquidity inside of the first 15-minute orb. It's a little contrarian, but it's profitable. That's how we passed this account.
Your TP hit, right?
Yeah, first TP hit. Looking for our second trade. If you guys see anything too, let me know. If you guys want me to flip to you, just communicate that, and I'll always flip.
Yeah, once you are finished up, I'll give my market analysis on the before 1 hour and give a little insight on what I'm thinking.
Cool. I'll mark that up. Why does it look so like dull?
Give me 1 second.
looks like we might be going long again. Market's moving fast on a Friday.
I like it.
We're moving fast on a Friday. All right,
Order filled.
we're long again.
Order filled.
Just like that, boys. $400 on a Friday morning.
Nicely
And
done.
pulling ourselves out of that loss streak. I will flip to someone else and I will update our current win rate to be 86 out of 102. Noah dipped out. Passed it to you, JMO.
All right.
I'm locking out too, just so everyone knows.
I'm kind of going back to my orb strategy a little bit, but a few different levels. So I'm lowering my contract size because my position is probably going to be a little bit larger in terms of stop loss. Dang, you caught that well.
Yeah, it's dropping against us.
You getting a second trade, Kim?
Yes, sir. We are in and out. So we are pulling back. We're pulling back. So the account now is not. The account's only down 2R now, which isn't bad. You see how like negative versus reward, we just lost 2 trades in a row, but we're really pretty much close to back to where we need to be because you're taking 2 wins a day. Yeah, like when you lose during a day, you lose 1, but you're winning twice a day, so it makes it a little easier to dig out of that hole. In the past, I would do things where like I would only take 1 trade a day with negative versus reward. You really can't do that. If you're gonna take negative versus reward, you have to win like at least 2 a day and then lose 1 a day. That's I think the method.
Yeah, if you're taking 1 trade a day and you lose that trade, you're kind of wiped out. Even if you win the next 2 or 3 trades, you're kind of wiped out. And it'll take 2 or 3 days. So I think you have a good strategy with the negative RR.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I just kind of like said I was gonna do it this way one day, and then I just kind of like fell into it, and then it just kind of felt nice. Like you kind of have to like trade in a way that you feel comfortable with too. Like when you lose, you're okay. When you win, it's like reasonable. Like if I kept going and trying to like make profits all day, that could be a problem. Like yesterday, we saw it literally lost like 4 times before it won 2, and I was like, so when you're losing, you just gotta take your loss and just be done for the day. Let's update the banner. Currently 86 out of 102. So that just upped our win rate though from 84% to what? .3%.
Trader black.
Actually, let's
Yep. Josh and I have the same idea right now. Relatively neutral.
There we go. So we just, oh gosh, it's forget a space. There we go. We kicked it up 0.31% today. More profitable.
There we go.
So to Noah, what are you and Josh saying?
Yeah, well, we're not. Our strategies are a tad different, but we're just both kind of neutral right now from what I got from his comment. But I'm in between the support and resistance right now. Yesterday, we did see a drop. Look at prehistorically. I'll switch to the 4 hour. We are seeing that price did hit a pretty good support area. And last time it hit this area, it did spike all the way back up to this resistant area. And even more historical, kept bouncing. So right here, you can see it's a pretty bullish uptake in the last 4 hours to this, I call it SR, support and resistance zone, meaning it's acting as both right here. It's acting as resistance, but in a couple of hours, could be acting as some support pushing it up. So if I see on the 30 minute, if I see it hit here, come down, hit here, and break below, then I'm going to get in for a sell, short sell to support. Then I'm going to take that support all the way back up to the resistant level.
I like it.
Yeah.
Clean cards.
Yeah. Yesterday, I ended up winning my trade too, making about I think 1,200 on that. So that was a good win.
We got Black Boy in the house. What's up, my brother? Good to see you. Now that I'm done for the day, I'm hanging out with the chat. You guys take the show over.
Yeah, I don't know if it's on my page right now, but you can see my P&L, my win rate, all of that.
Oh, nice. You're up, yeah.
Yeah, I'm up. This is kind of how it's going, right? It's going pretty good. So today I'm trying to pass it. So today is going to be a good day.
Full Port Friday.
Full Port Friday. But no, I'm feeling pretty good about today. I really like where the chart's at. It's a very good, confident position I'm going to get into.
JMO, we got the 15-minute setting too.
Oh yeah, 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Ooh.
What's happening in 20 seconds?
15-minute orb.
Okay.
That 15-minute opening range of NQ. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to update my Notion. I didn't want to look at my Notion because of the past 2 days, but I'll look at it again. Yeah, the last 10 trades I shot 8 for 10. So last 10 trades we hit 80%, which that's plus 2R. It's not
Solid.
bad.
I think it's working out.
Yeah, out of the last 6 days, 2 red, 4 green. I just do much better trading when I have more green days.
It's a fair comment.
I know of people that can have like literally 15 red days in a month, but they'll have like 2 or 3 green days and just absolutely crush it.
Dang.
That takes a lot of emotional bandwidth.
That's for sure.
Hey, we might have to pop up gold on the chart one of these days soon too, though. We might have to.
Yeah. I am curious about it. Very curious.
It's a scary thing. It's a scary thing.
I don't think trading NQ so long though. I feel like NQ is a little scarier than gold. I feel like NQ just rocks you every time. When NQ goes against you, you're getting like jumped. It's not like it's not a fair fight. You bet like if they didn't have lockouts, people would probably have a lot more problems in their life on these accounts. It's so NQ is so dangerous that literally like even cash accounts have personal lockouts you can put on them.
I wonder what percentage of traders, even just from Top Step, use the lockout.
Oh, it's only the ones live streaming. It's only the ones live streaming for sure. That might not be a fair statement, but all the only people I know that do it, they do it because they show their streams that they do it.
Josh with an absolute zinger.
Josh. Gold reminds me of my ex, peak manipulation. That's hysterical.
That's hilarious. I'm sorry you had to go through that.
You just need to buy gold and just don't do anything right now. That's all you need to do. Have you guys seen gold?
I haven't even looked at it.
It went up $1,000 recently. It's in the 4,300s. Like go to the daily and just zoom out.
Oh my gosh. That's a really nice trend.
That's one of those things, like if we were to invest in gold right now, it'd start just dropping.
Yeah. Yeah, the investment side I think would be tough.
That's what happened with the people on Bitcoin.
Yeah, I'll check that out. That looks fun.
All right, Kim, when you got a second, you want to pull up to my screen?
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, your screen's you're not presenting.
I'm not presenting. That'll be. All right, give me a second. I'll flip to it.
The Broly gains. Gold tell you to do these and then it do the opposite. Have you seen the Super Saiyan Burnout? I've done it so many times. It's one of my favorite calisthenic workouts.
That sounds fun.
Do you guys know who Broly Gaines is?
No.
Yeah.
I love Broly Gaines. He's hysterical. He's shredded. That makes me want to work out. I'm not hitting the Super Saiyan Burnout today, but okay, Noah's screen's up. Let's pop it to you. I'm going to Broly Gaines right now. We're gonna pull up the Super Saiyan Burnout. I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys the workout, and if you guys hit this, yeah, it's this one.
All right. While he's pulling that up, I will show you what's kind of happening for me right now. So here are highs. You saw it drop down the support area. Right here is in between this support and this resistance level. So we're kind of just waiting. We see a lot of price stoppage right here, here, and all of this area. So we're not wanting to take any buys or sells until we know it's going to break out of here. So we're going to wait for this to either go up a little bit, come back down, and once it closes above this last high, then we're going to enter back into longs right here for TP1. TP2 will be up here. Same with sells. Once we see it, if we see it close below this, so it has to come out, retract, cross this low, we'll go back in here and hopefully it'll break out and continue downwards. A lot of scroll scrabble. The worst part about it is deleting all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, have you seen the videos of the guy drawing the dinosaur on it? He's like, it's gonna do. We used to do that all the time now. Gemma looks like he's got setting up for something big.
I was thinking, yeah, I was waiting for a little bit more retest.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for a close, a retest, and a break of the retest high.
1 minute, 31 point push.
Really quick, popping up Broly gains. All right, guys, watch this video. It's four years ago. It's only got 19K views. Just type in Super Saiyan Burnout. Legendary Super Saiyan Broly Gains does the Burnout Challenge calisthenics workout. It's a 15-minute workout. I've hit it in, or I think he tries to do it in, I forget what time frame. There's been times I think I've hit like 15 minutes. There's times I've hit 25 minutes. It really depends on how you feel it day. If you're feeling like that, you're gonna hit it in 15. If you guys hit this workout over the weekend, let me know. It's absolutely insane. But I'll leave it at that. You have to be able to do muscle ups though too. That's kind of part of it.
I used to be able to do muscle ups.
Oh, you could still do them then. If you unlock it, you have it forever. It just takes like maybe a few attempts.
All right, I love what I'm seeing here. This is good. I like to see some momentum. I don't want to be stuck in this consolidation in the middle. So I hope it comes back to retest so I could get in for buys. But as of now, it looks like it could possibly just push all the way up here if it does onto a tight stop, depending on how it consolidates. But I'm hoping it comes down and I can get in on this buy again. I think this will be good.
Nice.
What are you, JMO? You hoping for buy?
Yeah, pretty much the same thing. I wanted to retest that level. I got the pre-market high marked up there.
Yeah, I'm hoping we get up to the 25-200.
And then I'll just target. I mean, that's enough points for me to target that previous high, or I'll be going for a 1 to 2.
Good. It's good to see that we're on the same page.
We'll see. Some heavy gaps there. Ooh.
Were you in both buys today?
Mine were both buys.
That'd be nice. We all hit on some longs today.
Oh, I put you top 10. Shanik69, welcome back. It's good to see you here again. Always promoting their own viewers.
I want to know if they donate subs.
Josh is looking for shorts. He might be taking his shorts on the way to where you guys are looking to enter.
I see the gap he's talking about.
All right, we're seeing it pull back a tad. Just a wee little bit.
Yeah, it literally tapped that. That's a good question. Let me check.
This fib looks pretty good, Kim.
We're at 7 subs. I haven't uploaded a video yet, just the live trades.
Yeah, so on the fib levels, here's the low. We're seeing it retrace off this right here. I'm not too much of a fib guy. I just use it for like a fib confirmation. It's not a make or break tool either.
That's right.
And Power 3 might play out for shorts. We shall see. Oh yeah, we're up and running. We're sprinting. We've been consistent with these streams for the longest. I think we've been in a long time. How many? What stream is this? It's 1, 2. 4.
Is this week 4? Week 3?
It's like I think it's week 3.5. We've done 4. That's what 12. This is stream 14. So it's technically week 3. Yeah, because there's 5 trading days a week. But we've done 3 weeks worth of streaming. But our first stream was on the 29th of September. So we're half a month in.
I'm not really trying to grow the YouTube, but I'm going to shoot for 100 subs by end of year. We'll see what happens.
Jamming with the big goals. I love to see it.
Oh, you'll get it for sure. What you should do is you should post like a video once a week too. What I noticed though, when you stream and do videos, you can't do videos every day because then it considers both of them long form content, and YouTube will not push both of them equally. It'll like split it up, and like for whatever reason it'll push it like 50% of what it would. So like if you do like a video here and there and then just lives, or if you do lives and shorts, I took down my shorts. I wasn't going to go that route. One thing I noticed about shorts is shorts will grow your following, but nothing comes from it. Nothing comes from shorts ever. Like in no which way you frame it, the following that comes from it aren't going to ever watch the streams. They're never going to watch the videos.
Short form viewership.
Yeah, it's not. It can ruin your channel. I know this one guy right now who's who started posting, like, I'm not going to go into details, but he started doing shorts and started doing well with shorts, and he got his following way up, and he'll have like I don't even want to say numbers because I don't want it to like be bad. I just want to give an example, but I'll just say like numbers that aren't the numbers, but like he'll have like 50,000 subscribers, but he'll have like 20 people watching his streams, and it's like that pound for pound that ruins it, because now what YouTube sees is it's like this guy's got a lot of people who don't care about what he's doing. If that makes sense, you know what I mean? And so it hurts him long term,
Yeah. Also, I'm in longs.
Go JMO.
Let me flip. JMO with the boss moves again. I'm like ranting. JMO's up. He's pushing like $1,200.
I did 15 micros. I did not think it'd be a $1,500 move. I'm gonna have to close it out early because
Oh my gosh, you're up.
consistency rule.
You're up. How big's your account?
Oh yeah, you can't hit over 15, right?
Yeah,
Order filled.
we have to close. What a trade!
Did you screw yourself though? I don't mean to say it like that, but that's
Well-
over 1,500, right?
Yeah. So nah, I'll just match it. Like if I do another day like that. Like how
Oh,
many
you
points-
can match it. I was wondering because I didn't know if like if you hit over 1,500, if they're like it's done, like you just
Dang.
you messed up or something.
Wait, explain that. What do you mean?
So there's a consistency rule to pass the account. So the consistency rule is 50%. So basically, you can pass in 2 days, but one trading day can't be more than 50% of your account balance. So the profit target's $3,000. So if you hit 1,500, over 1,500, you theoretically have to do it in more than 1 day, or you have to make more than that on your second day, or equal that. So if you take like 3 days even to pass, you're fine. But
Okay.
it's pretty generous. There's like 30% consistency rules on other
Well,
firms.
good. I'd love to see them making them some money.
I
Yeah,
was
what's
nervous
your-
for you.
What's
I-
your account balance?
I didn't think I dropped my position size to 15. I was trading 25 contracts. Dropped it to 15 because I was like, okay, that's way less. And I mean, it's moving today. That was 48 points.
Oh yeah, I mean it's moved. That was a 50 or a 60 point candle almost that
Yeah.
1002 candle.
One candle.
Dang.
Wow. Okay. So when I pass the account, I would have stayed in that. But right now we got a base hits.
That looked like a good ICC play too.
Yeah, that's true. Right between that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good trade. So,
Thank you.
what does it look like once you pass the account? I've never traded with Top One.
It's probably
Cam,
the
you
same.
traded most recently. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing.
So, I mean, you pass the account, then what do you pay?
You have a $149 activation fee for the funded account.
Okay.
That's the express funded. And that's your only charge on that. And then,
That's at top one and that's at top,
Top
step.
Step.
That's at every firm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
what was my exit? 24862.
Let's flip on to Noah. You in those?
No, we're waiting right now. This is what I want to get in. I want it to retest first, just because I want a bigger trade. I just need 1,500 more to pass, but
Oh, just kick up your size.
yeah, it doesn't work like that though. Not for me.
it always works like that.
Because I just traded with 3 to 5, and can you guys hear the sirens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let me just mute for a second. These things are loud.
It doesn't bother me. It's not like overwhelming. You're good.
Okay, here we go. So what I'll do is, say I get in right here, it starts going up, retraces a little bit and goes down to here. I'm still so confident that this is a good zone. I will actually buy in for like 5 contracts and set my stop loss, below it a tad. So if I lose it, I don't lose too much, but it covers me all the way back into profit and end up making more instead of going in right away with 15. Long term, it just works for me better instead of going in right away.
True. It's like a little supply and demand right there with that market structure shift that's about to happen on the 15th.
Yeah. So in here, right here, you see this is my TP for if I short. This is my second TP for shorts. This is my first TP for long, second TP for long, third TP for long. So I'm not making the market do anything. I'm flexible.
Yeah. I feel that. So you guys got pretty similar account balances right now, huh? You both are like halfway to passing.
Halfway.
You guys have almost identical account balances.
This is where I was at the beginning of the week. I lost that account, but we're back.
Once we up and running, we will be unstoppable. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. We're going to finish this week off with a good win. Oh, and we're starting to see it go back. So we're going to be looking for
Lost
entries
today.
here.
Emma, you might have been blessed with not being able to hold longer.
I know. It's coming right back.
We got to pop yours up really quick. Do you have the screen up still
Like this.
so everyone could see? Yeah, look at that, guys.
So I called it there. Yeah, it was my initial target was this wick up here. So we would have been, a couple points below. And now it's looking like we'll see.
I think it's gonna drop. I want to look at. I don't do this often, but I want to look at ES right now because I can almost bet if ES is higher than that previous high right now, price is dropping on NQ for sure. No, it's not. It's not. There's no divergence right now.
Okay.
It could still drop though.
Yeah. I mean, it's just tapped that 4-hour gap twice, so it might drop.
It's failing to go higher,
not.
but
Or it might not. It's the beauty of trading. All right, so if it touches this line again, I'm going to lean for a quick buy.
because we'll probably close out at 10:30 again. That's
Yeah.
just I don't think I ever told you that. We just try to keep it to 10:30.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go get more coffee. I've been debating for like 30 minutes. Do I want half calf or cold brew? It's like two opposites.
Why can't you just do both? You
Just
won
do
both
both.
your trades.
Put the half calf in the cold, and then it'll be lukewarm brew. But third tap, sweeping those highs, then drop.
You
That's
can
it.
see my mouse just hovering over that buy.
I like it, Josh, but it's failing to go higher right now. Usually, that lately, from just observation, when we fail to make a higher high like that, I think that's even a stronger signal for shorts than a liquidity sweep. That's what I've noticed, but I haven't been trading it, so don't listen to me. But let me pop my screen up. I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. Oh, I gotta pull, add. So like this,
Order filled.
failing to go higher. Oh, I'll flip to. I heard the order
Who's in?
code.
Who's in? No?
It's me.
I'm
I didn't
in.
lock out. This though,
Full pull.
seeing it failing to go higher is honestly like a bigger bearish sign than if it like just liquidity swept this and then went lower, in my opinion. My professionally unprofessional opinion.
Well, if it's hitting like equal highs, it'll probably come down and then break through. But it hasn't. It hasn't done that.
Yeah.
It's just tapped that range.
Let's hope I'm wrong though, for the sake of the trade that just got entered. That's a long, right?
Yeah, we're long.
Yeah, Josh, you know that if ES was higher right now and this one was lower, NQ would landslide.
Ooh. 35-point move right there.
All right, guys, we're about to take profit and win and take the account. Waiting for a little bigger of a push. A little bigger of a push and we pass the account.
Yeah, that SMT missing.
Here we go. Keep going. A tab more.
So, no, are you trailing? Is that the idea?
No, I'm a little heavy on this position, so I'm gonna get out here shortly.
Order filled.
Quick, easy, simple, $1,000. We are think $200 away from passing the account, $300 away from passing the account. We could have stayed in and got that, but that's a little heavier than I liked.
Everyone's green today. Everyone.
Well, I still got one more, Cameron.
You can
I'm
make it
about to-
happen. We got 18 minutes.
Green Friday. I like it.
Don't turn this upside down in 18 minutes.
No. You're here for entertainment, right?
Are you not entertained?
Come on, push a little higher, push a little higher.
Are you looking for another longer?
No, short. See, if I would have stayed in, I would have made the account, but it was risky. I didn't like it.
What's up, Mattis?
Wow, that was a sniper entry I had though.
It's good. Yeah. Now let's check ES, Josh. Oh, yeah, ES is higher too. No divergence.
Order filled.
Is that shorter or long?
Short.
Oh, okay. It's hard to tell, like, because it's like green or red, and it's not very clear on this platform.
I do not like that camera close.
You know what they say, what goes up must go down.
Was that Newton's third law? Newton was one of the biggest day traders. Rumor
It's
has it.
the third law of TJR.
We're just going to wait a little bit. And cash is falling down a little bit. Here we go. All right. I will be back and we will be crazy and profit. What's scaring me is I'm watching live stream too on YouTube. So I'm seeing the chart move at different times. It's kind of spooking me out a little bit.
You're getting in like based on it. You're like, wait, I'm in
Right.
the past or the future? Wait, no, that already happened.
You see it dropping a little bit, and this is where I want to be. So I just wanted to keep dropping a little more. I want to squeeze like 250, 300 out of it.
That would have been a big trade.
Damn,
The hell,
bro,
that's a
YouTube
mega
did it to me
trade.
again.
Oh, here we go. See if we rebalance that range on the 1 minute.
That's what I was trying to do. Let's see it drop a tad.
I say you got at least going down to 24,889.
You heard of a make or break?
Yeah. Is that this?
It's always-
You know it's a heavy position when you're like locked in like when you're that close. I'm always like that when I'm trading heavy. I'm like closer to the screen.
Guys, you see how small the sconce is on my laptop, and I'm too deep right now to switch it.
You're so close to hitting target.
Look at the top where it says the balance.
Yeah, that's what I'm
53.
watching.
You're
You're
at
there.
You're at it right now.
You're there.
Oh, I won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I still win?
Order filled.
Bang! Pass the
You're
account.
in. You're in. There we go. Fair play.
Uh-oh. Funded Friday. Full
Funded
pour.
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, we did it. We passed the account, guys. Good morning. Good morning.
Are you meaning that 50%? Let's see. Scroll down some. Just go to your like overall. Let me just see your calendar.
Yeah.
Does that
Does that
matter?
violate? I don't know. I think that should be good.
Well,
Look at-
I don't. Let me check something.
One day is technically.
Yo, everything just
Bigger.
went gone. Everything just went dark.
What does it say? Oh, new practice template.
Yo, everything
I
just
don't
went
to
trade
the
on
top
top
left.
ones, but I don't know what that
Go to
means.
the top left.
Do you have a dashboard?
Oh, you don't have consistency. There's no consistency. I'm like thinking top step because I'm like thinking my rules in my head the whole time. You don't have consistency.
Oh, I won.
Yeah, you're past. That's why I switched.
Oh.
Go to the top left. Or no, you got to go to the trading dashboard and pay activation fee and all of that later whenever you have time. You passed. You
Nicely done.
Well, we caught the move. We did exactly what we said we were. So that's a good day.
yeah, you're locked in.
That's a 100K account.
No, it was a 50K. This is just a demo account.
Order
It's like, dang, 3K on a 100K account? That's awesome.
Oh, I thought you were getting back in on the
Order filled.
the account you just passed.
Order filled.
Like, no,
And that's
don't
how
do
you
it.
that's how you
Fuck
make
no.
that's how you make quick money. Okay, and this is a practice account. So I can do what I want.
And we got 10 minutes to spare.
That was very well done. Great day.
That's quick.
Great day. Check out my trade recap video.
Oh, you got a recap video?
No, I might make one though.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know what just happened. Okay, we're back.
That's the best way to do it, and then you invite people to your streams.
I mean, I think I'm gonna do like weekly recaps. So I'll go through like the trades of the week.
That's good. That's more sustainable.
Yeah.
No,
So it's just one video.
To Texas for the GP as well. Is that some like racing event? Is Josh making like a racing joke? Does that look like that guy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out. I
The
couldn't
Austin
understand
GP in
that.
Texas this weekend. I'm gonna watch that.
I might have to now, especially if I'm in it.
Yeah, you'll see. Let me see if I can pull up a photo of the guy.
Those ICCs playing out time and time today on the 1 minute even. I bet this one fails though. I really do. I bet this one fails. That's all I'm gonna say. But let's close out, boys. Everyone's green for the day. It's a good Friday. We'll be back Monday for everyone watching, and subscribe, hit the bell notification. That way you know when we're live. I've got the Telegram in the description too. That way you can know when we're live. I post my first trade for the day every day in there, and then notify the guys when we're live. I haven't done a daily accountability poll. Let's do that today. I'm gonna write a note right now because I wasn't sticking with that. We'll just see who crashed out or not this week because that was pretty fun. I don't know if you guys saw I was doing that.
It was a good day.
All right, we will close out in prayer though, and then we will wish everyone a good weekend. Father, we just thank you for today. We just thank you for the winning days, the losing days, bringing us through it all. We just thank you for where you have each of us in our lives right now. Help us to not be so worried about where we want to be and where you've called us to be, but help us to just be present with you today and to focus on you and our family, our relationships, and the things that you put in our lives. Help us to not focus on what we don't have, but to focus on what's all around us all right now already. And I just pray a blessing over my brothers as they go into this weekend. I pray that there's an open heaven above their lives and that your favor is poured out on them. And not just favor, and material things, Father, but just bless them with prosperity in their spirit and their soul, that they can get good night's sleep, so that they can feel good and they can be comfortable in this life as they go on this journey that you put us here on earth for. Father, I love you. I know they do too. And I thank you for today. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Good prayer.
All right, my brothers, we will be back on Monday. I hope you guys have a good weekend. James, I know any last words before we cut the stream?
Yeah, relax, guys. Take a break from the trades.
Enjoy the weekend. Restore. I don't know if I'll be trading Monday. It's a travel day for me, so I don't know. We'll see. But enjoy your weekend, everyone.
Cool. All right, Josh, Black Boy, all my other brothers in the chat, I will see you Monday. See you guys.
See ya. Good luck, Josh.
Short. See it. Let me know on Monday how that goes. All right, see you, boys.
See ya.